Hi, welcome to Mike Does It All. Today we're going to take a look at what's inside an IT guy's backpack. I've been working from home for the last 3 or 4 months now, but we're going to take a look at what I would be taking with me if we went into the office. Okay, so the backpack I'm currently using is a Metro Safe LS 450 by Pack Safe, which is a 25-liter backpack. I pretty much have the entire backpack full of what I would consider my daily essentials. So the first thing that I have in my backpack, which doesn't actually open up very well, is my keyboard. This is by Keychron and is the K6, 65%. Next to that, I have my mouse, which is by SteelSeries. It is the Rival 650. Below that, I have what I like to call my off-site backup. It is a Western Digital Red hard drive in a Pelican case. Next, I have my MacBook Pro and my e-reader by Kobo. Inside the little RFID pocket, I have my passport, which is right here, and I have my daily notebook, which I write notes and such in. Next, we have the front pocket, which mainly has the charging and data cables in it. I got my MacBook Pro charger up front, and here I have my Pixel 4 charger, the data cable for the keyboard, as well as the charging cable for the mouse and the USB dongles for the mouse. Finally, the very last one is the bottom pouch. In here, I mainly keep my pens and all of my flash drives. Oh, as well as my Anchor battery. That is what an IT guy, aka me, would carry with me on a daily basis to and from work. Hope you enjoyed watching. If you have any questions and would like to see more stuff about my hard drive, let me know down below, and I'll see you all in the next video.